Joel Hawthorne of the Morning Snapshot joins us now. He is taking a look at our final trade of the day. Happy to have you here, Joel.
Thanks for having me, Angie.
So your stock at the moment is Acceleron.
Yes.
And what do you like about this stock? It's actually in the pharma family.
Yes. This is a stock I've been watching for a while. I really love the volatility around this stock. Looking at this stock, we spoke about VRX a couple weeks back.
Valiant.
Yes.
Which is a wild moving stock.
Absolutely, absolutely. But what I've seen as we were wrapping up 2017 is that Valiant was really, really bullish and really rebounding strong. This stock, nonetheless, it kind of has very similar chart similarities there. So I'm bullish the stock, but I'm somewhat cautious. So I'm looking out till about mid-March, the expiration, where I'm going to actually put on a long strangle. That way, I am expecting the stock to kind of trade in a price range of about $35 to about $50. Right now, it's trading about $43 and change, possibly even $44 now because of the upward momentum. But if this stock kind of trades in this range, I stand to make a little bit of money.
For people who are not familiar with an option strategy, just taking a look at the chart, what do you see here? Because you say you are cautiously optimistic, cautiously bullish here.
Yes. Well, I think this stock can definitely break above the 52-week high that we saw here at about 46 and change, $46.93, $47 mark. That's why I'm putting on my strangle right around that $50 to $35 mark. That'll give me enough room that if we do get a pullback, I actually have an opportunity to make money below if we stay around that $35 mark, and if we break above it, 50s are right there as well.
You mentioned the comparison with Valiant. So is this a stock where, like Valiant, is Acceleron going to be one of those where you might see a big move up and a big move down?
Absolutely, yeah.
You have to take a Rolaids to trade this stock?
Absolutely, absolutely. As you know, VRX was one that very similar to that. Well, you could come in and you would see, I mean, $5 move up or down, it doesn't matter. This stock could very well have that potential. And because for me, I'm a trader, I'm just really looking at price action, right? Sure. I am not really sold on what the actual structure of this particular company does. I'm just looking at the actual chart and trying to see how I may have an opportunity there.
So more of a trade rather than an actual investment.
That is 100% correct.
Well, happy to have you again. Thanks so much for coming on the show.
Thanks for having me, Angie.